Hi, Viper chemistry students. Hey, let's try a simulation for balancing equations. And as you can see, when you come into this document, it's set up as an assignment for Canvas. You can see there's a link here that will allow it. When you click on that and you go into it, it will lead you to a simulation that you can manipulate values of the coefficients of or the number of uh, molecules or compounds, or diatomic molecules. But anyway, when you get into it, you're going to see, when you click on this link, you're going to see a screen come up where up here in the right hand corner, you can choose a tool like a balance here. And then when you load everything up as one, as far as the unbalanced equation, and you load everything up as one, then it's going to show it being unbalanced. And so then what you have to do is just sort of manipulate the values by clicking the arrows here and bring it up to balance. Okay, so once you do that, then it just kind of gives you practice and you can kind of see as a simulation how that might be. All right, anyway, so you have to start with the part one is introduction. You'll see that you can click on introduction and then that kind of leads you to this activity. And I think there's three unbalanced equations to work on. And then as far as the assignment goes, I really don't need you to do anything here. I just want you to balance it to see if you can make sure that the balances even out and get some practice with balancing equations. So I don't really need you to write anything in here as far as balancing those equations on this assignment. Now, as we progress into this activity, I do want you to answer any questions like these questions here. I would want you to click on and answer these. Okay, so just get your cursor, type in a response. So once you've done that one, you'll see it come together, but then move on. You might have to go down to the bottom of the screen and hit game. So when you hit the game, which is the part two part, now you're going to be involved in actually writing in balanced equations. And so you'll see a level one and then number one, the challenge number one for level one, and you'll need to type in the correct number of reactants and the product. So basically you're writing the balanced equation right here. Now, as you do the simulation and you manipulate the values, then it's gonna, when you hit the button to see if you've checked it correctly, then it should come up as a smiley face, and that lets you know that you now have a balanced equation. So there are five challenges in level one, and then there are five challenges in level two. And your challenge is to get a balanced chemical equation for all 10. Okay. And then there's a few questions down here as we finish up. So complete the activity for an assignment and then submit that through Canvas. Okay. Thank you and good luck. I look forward to looking at your responses.